In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a productivity mindset in Microsoft Word. The big shift is moving from manual formatting and one-off fixes to automation, consistency, and structural thinking. Instead of treating your document like a blank canvas, think of it as a structured system you can control and reuse. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start by favoring structure over appearance. Before you type, map the hierarchy in your head: the title, main headings, and subheadings. Apply styles to those elements right away, and resist clicking bold or italic manually. The visual look should follow the structural tag, such as heading 1 or heading 2. When you do this, Word pays you back with automation. You can generate a table of contents instantly, navigate by headings, and even drag sections around using the navigation pane, and restyle the entire document in seconds by modifying a single style. Next, embrace the idea of doing it once and automating the rest. If you repeat the same clicks, look for a faster path. Save boilerplate paragraphs, disclaimers, or your signature as auto text or quick parts so you can insert them in a couple of clicks. Lean on keyboard shortcuts to keep your hands on the keys. Save frequently with Ctrl+S, undo with Ctrl+C, use paste as plain text when you need clean formatting, and jump quickly with navigation shortcuts like Ctrl+Home and Ctrl+End. For multi-step, repetitive tasks, like cleaning up an imported table, record a macro and turn that routine into a single command you can run on demand. Consistency is what makes speed possible. Begin every project from a solid template file so branding, styles, and layout are correct from the first keystroke, not retrofitted at the end. When you need design changes, apply a theme to update fonts and colors globally rather than tweaking each section. Use the right tool for the job. Insert section breaks for layout changes instead of dropping in extra blank pages, and build lists with Word's list tools rather than spacing with tabs. Finally, plan for collaboration with clear rules of engagement. When editing someone else's work, turn on track changes so suggestions are visible and version confusion stays low. Use tracked edits for content changes and reserve comments for questions and discussion. Before you share a final draft, run the document inspector to remove personal metadata, then save a PDF to lock formatting and prevent accidental edits. Adopt this mindset, and Word stops being busy work. It becomes a system that does the heavy lifting so you can focus on thinking and writing. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.